Okay, video log, November 21st, 2023, where you are pretty much coming to the conclusion of training Doppler on the Dixie Cup drill from Pat Nolan. This is a very inexpensive drill online. I highly recommend it. It's under $100 and it's for these young puppies. And I'm following just one of the many steps of that training program. Same thing I did with River just a few months ago. This time though, we have pretty much mastered this jump pile I've got out there, which is just something I had on hand, and it's the same thing I used for River again just a few months ago. But we're going to get snow here in a couple of days. Attaboy. And probably not going to be able to do much yard work. Going to be hard to find these white little Dixie Cup things out in the yard if there's snow on the ground. So this one, I walked him over the jump obstacle, placed the food, walked back, and then sent him. And then you can see he jumps back over it. So this took about 7 days to do. I put the jump pile very close, and then I moved it to the end of this fence line. So I'm using that fence line to keep him in the corridor, and then he just figured it out. He has not really gone around it much at all. So now we're moving to the middle pile, which is just another Dixie Cup drill, which I've already placed food at. So I placed food at this one and the left one, and then I walked him over the jump pile on the right one and ran there. So I just line him up. Tell him back. Right to it. Let him chomp down the food for a second, and I'll recall him.
Here. 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 Here.
Now this next one I'm very proud of.
Gentle. Sit.
I'm going to go grab the camera and move it, and he's going to come with me, but then he's going to see that Dixie Cup drill on the left, and he's going to go for it. And I'm going to stop him and recall him and send him to it again.
Here. 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 Good.
So nice recall. Very proud of that. By the way, the air temperature out here is about 20 degrees. It's one of the coldest mornings I've had training, but we've been very fortunate to be this far into November with no snow on the ground.
Back. Here. Here. Come on, here. Doppler, here. Here. Sit.
All right. That's pretty much it for this drill. I think we've got it pretty much mastered.